Nurmagomedov. And Ultimate Fighter winner, Tony Ferguson. Tony Ferguson, ready to go to battle and put on a show.
This guy's an arm bar and a leg lock specialist. In every fight that you see him in the octagon, he looks to secure a limb and finish with a submission.
Tony Ferguson enters the octagon, ready to do battle. Dagestan, Russia, HABIB NURMAGAMEDOV opened up his professional career 22-0. And one of his most impressive performances in the octagon was back at UFC 160 when he defeated Abel Trujillo, recording, which was at that time a UFC record, 21 takedowns.
This guy has an amazing ability to control fighters from the top position. Once he gets there, that is where the fight will remain.
Our tale of the tape for this lightweight fight. The Russian is 27, the American is 32. He will have a 6-inch reach advantage. Once again, here's the veteran voice of the octagon, Bruce Buffer.
Ladies and gentlemen, this fight is 3 rounds of the UFC lightweight division. Introducing first, fighting at the blue corner. This man is a freestyle fighter, holding a professional record of 21 wins, 3 losses. He stands 5 feet 11 inches tall, weighing in at 155 pounds. Fighting out of Ventura, California, Tony And now introducing his opponent, fighting out of the red corner. This man is a mixed martial artist, holding a professional record of 23 wins, no losses. He stands 5 feet 10 inches tall, weighing in at 155 pounds. Fighting out of the Republic of Dagestan, Russia, HABIB the Eagle Nurmagomedov. And when the action begins, our referee in charge, Mario Yamasaki.
And our referee for this fight will be Mario Yamasaki. Mike Goldberg, Joe Rogan. We are set for the start of round number 1. Fight scheduled for 3 5-minute rounds. White trunks for Ferguson. Black trunks for Nurmagomedov.
HABIB Nurmagomedov is one of the best grapplers in MMA.
Oh! There's a big left hand.
Landed some shots.
Solid jab. Punches and bunches. He wants to finish. Big takedown. Ferguson switches to the southpaw stance.
Great exchange.
He connects on a nice combination. Just over 3 now. The straight connects. Just missing with the elbow. And he seizes the opening once again with a powerful hook. He would love to land another hook right here. Inside leg kick by Nurmagomedov. He's circling to his right here. And there's that hook again. Oh, head kick to kick. Oh, that one hurt him.
Big shots.
Oh, he's landing at will.
Looks like he's looking to dive under for the knee bar, and he does.
This could be it.
That is very, very tight. And he got his leg out. Wow, I thought that was it. He moves to full mount. Got him in full mount here, and he's raining combinations down on him.
Solid punch by Nurmagomedov. Half guard.
And he gets reversed.
He's got the full mount, Joe.
Huge elbow lands to the head.
He's going to finish it right here.
10 more seconds, come on!
Half guard. That'll do it for round one. A big knockdown that round from HABIB Nurmagomedov.
Huge knockdown. It was probably the most important aspect of that round, and most likely won the round.
The round came at the end. Now let's start this next round off and finish it.
Big power on this punch and results in a knockdown. Here's another look at it here. And let's check it out from a different angle.
The lovely Brittany getting us set for round number 2. Here
we go, second round, you ready? You ready?
Round 2 is underway.
Now, starting off this round, you've got to think that the barrage that he endured in that last round is still affecting him. He's going to want to start this round off and move and avoid taking any damage.
He did a nice job blocking the head kick.
Look at that eye, man. That is a mess.
And here we see the number of significant strikes landed so far in the fight. He connects with the straight. Tony Ferguson's got the reach advantage in this fight, but he hasn't used it effectively.
He definitely could be doing a far better job of utilizing... Oh, flying knee. Oh, big uppercut.
Let's go! Keep pushing forward! Body, high kick to the head. Wear down! Come on!
Joe, he's looking for the one-punch knockout here. Nice block of the punch to the head.
And he scores the double leg takedown.
Under 3 minutes.
Oh, he got reversed. Full guard. Try to take the back here.
Anaconda choke.
It looks like he's got the anaconda choke.
And he got his head up. Ferguson with a punch to the body from the bottom. Punishing knee to the body from side control.
Good knees.
The amount of damage that has been done to his body makes you wonder if he's got a broken rib or two. Oh, he's punishing the body from the top. Half guard. Let's see what he can do from here. Joe, both of them stand up here. Back and forth. He was looking for the head kick, but it was blocked.
There's the kick.
Oh, he wrapped him! Joe, he's
Big shots! Oh! Hard diving punch. Oh, that's it. It's over. He's out. What power that guy has in his hands.
Joe, here's the finish on our fight replay.
And let's take a look at the replay. This is the shot that drops him. Perfect technique. He's clearly hurt badly here. Let's take a look at it from another angle here. This is the one that causes the knockdown and the subsequent follow-up strikes for the knockout. Check it out here. Boom! And then he's out.
Bruce Buffer has the official decision.
Ladies and gentlemen, referee Mario Yamasaki has called a stop to this contest at 4 minutes, 30 seconds of round number 2. Declaring the winner by knockout, HABIB
HABIB Nurmagomedov wins by knockout.